Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews and unboxings. Today I'll be reviewing and checking out this fiberglass magnetic screen door to keep away the bugs and flies and all the stuff that keeps all those flies in when you open the door in the summer. I know this year in particular, there's just so many flies around, so this is gonna be a lifesaver for parties and stuff, so I don't have to keep on opening and closing the door. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's a screen and then you can pop in, pop out. There are 24 magnets that keep it closed and it's easy to install. So let's check out what it looks like and what it comes with. So it's quite hefty, that's nice. You can see right here, there's Velcro. The screen is nice and thick and also flexible, which is really good. So I can feel that there is a metal piece in here somewhere. So this is the screen and then you can just pull it apart. Snap it back together. So it works. So all you gotta do is basically, there's Velcro here, which, this is the other part of the Velcro. That's how it's an easy setup. So this is the other part of the Velcro that you stick to your door. So yeah, it's the figure one. So you just stick it like piece by piece to the door and then just across the frame. And that is how you can have that as the ultimate finish and have it super, super easy. In here, there are also some tags like this that you can use to make sure that, everything is nice and, doesn't move. This piece will help you secure everything and make sure you press it flat. So super excited to start using it and keeping the flies out. So for more product reviews and unboxings, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this. If you want to purchase it, it's in the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.